This is the favorite game of his. He just keeps climbing as fast as he can. His best time to climb 40 of my hands is like 14 seconds, and that is very big speed though. He is always very cautious at everything, likes to play, always energetic. He just wants to eat everything in the world. Sometimes he decides to go to finish us as ending to bite our freaking skin. And at the meantime, Rio being super happy,
just cutting, nothing doing, cutting, always cutting. Cut. Always cut. No, nothing. His beak is so sharp, even it can cross the jacket fabric and can touch to the skin.
my old jacket.
Just cutting. Nothing doing, cutting. And this green one is Alex, as I told you earlier, and this peach faced is Rio. She is very smart, very intelligent, but keep cutting, always cutting. They do nothing but cutting. They love to, creeping, chirping, and most of the time cutting the jacket. They are the super enemy of jacket. They are committing crime. They are just cutting one jacket, and I don't know why they keep cutting. And this Alex, green one, red face, is very dangerous man. Whenever we do the finger against him, he just bite. And the peach face Rio is very loving. She cares about everything. But whenever they, got the jacket back of the someone, they just, keep cutting. They don't stop easily. See how merciless they are about jacket. They are enjoying actually. Whenever they listen other bird sound, they just chirp. My God. Rio, yeah, Alex, why do you cut so much? Oh my God. They got something beneath the jacket. Oh my God, they will cut. They will not stop. Oh, Rio. Oh my God. They just got something. So cute. Oh my God, so cute. They're just about the cutting. They, love to play and just cutting.
I'm so scared to feel it.
And this boy is so scared because this Alex, green one, red-faced one, can, insert his beak through the jacket and can touch the skin and even can bite. He bites every time.
And the most threatening bite.
And the peach-faced Rio, she is loving one. She just nibble, nothing do. But this one is very, very, see, this one, very, very shaitan. They just cut. They don't have any mercy. Oh, So go back, Cleo. Don't worry. Yeah, like this. Oh. He's just doing Kong. Alex just had a good bite. Oh. The green one who is having the red face is too much crazy. And this peach-faced lovebird named Rio is very intelligent and loving. But I don't know why they keep cutting the jacket all the time. Why? Oh my god. Just keep cutting.